Welcome back to our next session, EVS Lesson 2, My Body. Textbook pages 93 to 97. Before the session, we learnt and we discussed, children, what about our body. What is our body, children? Our body is included or consist parts. What are the main parts? Internal parts and external parts. What does it means the external parts, children? External parts. External parts means the parts which we can see. The parts which we can see. These we will call the external parts. We discussed already. Once again, external parts means the parts which we can see. Once you see, children, once you see the examples, you say the examples of our external parts. You say, children, you try. Yeah. First one is head, ears, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, hands and our legs. Isn't it? These are the external parts. Our body is like a machine. We explained already. Our body is like a machine. What does a machine do, children? Machine is doing the work. Machine is doing works. Same way, our body also doing works. Our parts, body parts, external parts and internal parts are doing different works. Isn't it? Once you see, children, our external parts. What are the external parts? Legs, head, hands. What works we can do with our hands? We are writing, eating and picking the things. Can you pick the things with our legs? No, we can't do. Only hands we are using. Then, can you write with the legs? No. Can you eat with the legs? No, we can't eat. So, each part of our body has the particular works, or each part of our body has different works. Our legs, go to our legs. Our legs, what works legs do? Legs doing walking, then playing, jumping. Can you walk with our hands? No, only legs can do. Then next, our head. Many parts are there on the head. Hair is there. Then ears are there. What works ears do? Hearing, music and something. Hearing. What works do? Hearing. Then our nose, what works do? Smell and breathe also. Then next, eyes, what works do? Seeing the things. And our mouth, what works do? Talking and eating. These are the parts, external parts of our body we discussed in the previous session. Isn't it? Now we are going to learn about the internal parts. What does it mean, children? External parts. Once again you say the parts which we can see in our body. The parts which we can see in our body, that we will call the external parts. For example, legs, hands, nose and mouth. Isn't it, children? Now, today's session, we are discussing about internal parts. Internal parts of our body. Children, we said external parts of our body, that which we can see. What about internal parts? Try to say. Yeah. This is we can see, but this is we can't see. This is external means we can see. Internal means we can't see. The parts which we can't see in our body, that we will call the internal parts. Once again, the parts which we can't see, cannot see in our body, that we will call the internal parts. For example, lungs. Can you see the lungs? No, you can't see. That is internal part. Lungs. See the picture of lungs, children. Lungs. The next, brain. See the picture of brain. Then heart. See the picture of heart. These are the main internal parts of our body. Then brain is there, children. Brain also we explained. Brain. These are the main internal parts of our body. Many are there. Stomach, intestines, such things are there. Many are there. But now we are saying this. Then, what is the meaning of internal parts, children? Internal part means the parts which we can't see. Not can, we cannot see the parts of our body. Understood, children? You understand the difference between external parts and internal parts. Once again, children, external parts means we can see the parts of our body. Internal parts means we cannot see the parts which is in our body. That is the internal parts. Then we go to the textbook. Textbook page 95. Internal parts of our body is we cannot see some parts of our body. Already we explained, children, before the lesson, we cannot see the parts of our body. Then they are called the internal parts of our body. They are called the internal parts of our body. The parts which we can't see, children, that you keep in your mind. External means we can see. Internal means we cannot see. We cannot see. That we will call the internal parts of our body. Though again, first we are saying about the brain, children. First we are saying about the brain. Where is brain, children? It's here in our head, inside of our head. The head consists the brain. What are the works of the brain? What are the works of the brain, children? So thinking the things. What works you want to do? The body, what works you have to do, that is with the help of brain. Brain is insisting to you to what to do. The brain is insisting to you to what to do with your hands, legs and everything. Now the brain is saying to you, write. Okay, write. Then brain is saying to you, laugh, cry. So everything is controlling by our brain. All works, whatever your body parts, external parts and internal parts, whatever is there, it's controlled by your brain. So brain is the main part of our body. Is it internal parts or external parts, children? The brain is internal part or external part? It is an internal part. What is the meaning of internal part? The parts which cannot see. That is the internal part. It means internal parts. Then next, the brain controls all our body movements. Where you have to go, that brain is saying to you. Then it helps us to think also. You are thinking. People, you are thinking. The human beings are thinking always. That is with the help of brain. The brain is controlling you totally. Okay. The next part is heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Heart. Heart means what works a heart do, children? We have one heart. What works our heart do? Heart pumps blood to other parts of our body. What works do? The pumps to all part of our body. Pumps blood to all part of our body. Brain does controls all movements of our body. Children, once again, heart pumps blood to all our part of our body. Pumps blood to all part of our body. The next, lungs. Next picture is lungs. That is the internal part of our body. Lungs. Lungs. How many lungs we have? 2 lungs. We have 2 lungs. That is left lung and right lung. That we will say. Then what is doing? It helps us to breathe. Children, we are breathing. Without the breath, we can't survive. We can't live. We are inhaling the air. We are inhaling the air and exhaling the air also. Inhaling means we are taking the air through the nose. That is going to our lungs. We are inhaling the air through the nose and it is going to our lungs. Then again we are exhaling. We are taking the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. Understood, children? That is our lungs' main work. That is the main work of our lungs. These 3 are working with like a machine. So, main part of our body is brain, heart and lungs. Lungs is help to breathing. Help to breathe. Breathe. Inhaling the air and exhaling the air also. Cindy, children? Then our stomach. Next part is stomach. Stomach. What will do, children? Helps to breathe. This is stomach is digest the food. Helps to digest the food. What does it mean, the external parts, children? External parts means the parts which we cannot see in our body. Then what is the meaning of external parts? So now we explained about 4 children: brain, heart, lungs and stomach. These are our internal parts. Internal parts. What is the meaning of internal parts, children? You try to say the parts which we cannot see in our body. The parts which we cannot see, we can't see in our body, that we will call the internal parts. What are they? Brain, heart, lungs and stomach. But what about the external parts? We already discussed those. The external parts which we can see. Which we can see. Internal is which we cannot see. You see the differentiation, children? You understand clearly that. External means we can see. Internal means we cannot see. Isn't it, children? Yeah. Then we have come to this next point, stomach. We discussed already. Now stomach. Stomach helps to digest our food. You are eating food through the mouth. Where is going, children? It is going and storing in our stomach. Stomach picture you seen already. Stomach. This is our stomach, children. This is our stomach. Stomach, what does do? Stomach helps to digest the food what we are eating. Storing in our stomach what we are eating. Storing in our food in the stomach and helps to the digestion also. Who is helping to the digestion, children? Food digestion? Stomach. You understand, children? Internal parts of our body. Once again I will repeat. Internal parts means which we cannot see. Lungs, brain, heart. Okay. We'll again see brain. What brain do, children? Controls all movements of our body. The help of the brain only we are doing the works. What works we are thinking? What works you are doing? That controls by the brain. Next, heart. What does it do? Heart pumps blood to all part of our body. Heart pumps blood to all part of our body. External parts of our body and internal parts of our body too. Heart helps to pump the blood. Isn't it, children? Then next, lungs. How many lungs? 2 lungs we have. It helps to breathe. It helps to breathe. Which is helping, children? Lungs helps to breathe us. Then next, stomach. Stomach. Stomach helps to digest the food, storing the food and helps to digest the food also. These are the internal parts of our body, and we discussed already external parts of our body and internal parts of our body. I think you understood the external part and internal parts. The main difference is external parts means we can see. Children, you thoroughly understand the parts which can see in our body, that we call the external parts of our body. Then the parts which we cannot see, that we will call the internal parts of our body. Understood, children? Read the lesson well. Thank you.